Hello, my name's Elise Burns-Hill, and this video is an introduction to VAT for small businesses. A little bit about me. I'm the owner of an accountancy firm with 4 team members. I'm the joint owner of the Inspire Network with Nikki Tapley, and I'm the author of 2 books, with a third one coming out beginning of 2021 and a fourth in April 2021. This video is going to cover 3 commonly asked questions about VAT by small business owners. So the first one is, should I put VAT on my invoice? And the answer, unless you are registered for VAT, the answer is no. And you'll know if you're registered for VAT because you will have been through that registration process. Your invoice and receipts should not include any VAT figures at all. So should you be registered for VAT? Businesses have to register for VAT when they reach £85,000 of turnover over 12 consecutive months. While many business owners know that they have to register for VAT around the £85,000 mark, what many don't realise is that it's over 12 consecutive months. It's not just within your financial year or within the tax year. Some businesses will choose to register before they reach that £85,000 turnover limit, and generally that's because their customers are VAT registered. So for example, for me as an accountant, if my turnover was less than £85,000, then I would look at my clients and see how many of those are VAT registered. If most of them are VAT registered, then it would benefit me and my clients to register as VAT registered. But if most of my clients were smaller businesses with much lower turnover, and maybe they're not business facing, they're consumer facing, then a lot of them won't be VAT registered, and all that will do is inflate my prices, so it wouldn't benefit anybody at that point. And the final question, I'm VAT registered or about to be VAT registered, how do I deal with it? My first tip would be to get an accountant. You don't have to have an accountant, you can do it yourself. There is plenty of information on the internet, but it takes a lot of the stress out of it, and you get answers a lot quicker when you work with an accountant. Make sure your VAT number is on your invoice. Any client or customer that is receiving your VAT invoice and is claiming back the VAT should be checking that your number is on the invoice, but they don't all do that. Do your bookkeeping meticulously, ideally on software such as Xero. Xero is my personal favourite, but there are plenty of other options out there. QuickBooks Online, Free Agent, etc. And the final one is calculate VAT correctly if you do VAT manual invoices. So if you're doing your invoices on Word or Excel and you're manually calculating that VAT amount, make sure you're doing it in the right way. There are several ways to do it, most of them are wrong,